So when we were looking at the results of this year and all the students who scored that 99 plus percentile or the good scores, 98, 99, 99.5 percentile, what we realize is most of these people, 30 mocks, that sounds like a good big number. So what does that do? How are you able to write 30 mocks? It is not just about writing these mocks. It is also having the time to analyze each and every one, analyze the mistakes, go back to the drawing board and learn those topics which you're not doing well at. Obviously, then you will improve from one mock to the other. For that, obviously, you need time. Now, what happens is when students start preparing late, they do not have that time. If you start preparing only post-April, what will happen is your syllabus will get over in August or September, and then you don't have enough time to do all this. Now, if you want to start writing mocks in June, means if you want to write 30 plus mock, you will need to start writing mocks seriously in June. Because it's not that only writing mocks, we will also be in that phase, you also be wanting to revise on a regular basis. So if you want to start mocks in June, you need to finish your syllabus by May end. So only then, if you start early in January, will you be able to finish your syllabus once by May end. And once you're able to do that from Jan to May end, you're able to finish your syllabus, then you will have enough time to write mocks also. You will have enough time to revise, go through our IMABC batch and all the extra material which we are able to give you. You're able to do all that practice also. Practice is what will make you perfect. My favorite saying is, I keep telling people, which have heard me many times, is the harder you work, the luckier you get. Because the more the questions you will solve throughout the year, the chances of recognizing a question, whether you should solve it or leave it. Because CAT is not only about solving the right question, but it is also leaving the wrong question, which is very, very important. And hence, all this will require time. So my advice would be start as early as possible. Definitely, if possible, in January itself. Also, there's one more category of children, especially when it comes to quantitative aptitude, maths. People who have not touched maths after 10th standard or were not. And why have they not touched maths after 10th standard? Because they feared maths in 10th also. What should they do? Very frankly, you all should start immediately. Our pre-classes where we discuss the concepts at a very, very basic level have already just started. We've done a couple of classes and we'll be doing more. The schedule is there on your screen. So if you go through these pre-classes, at least that fear of maths will start coming out. You will start solving maths with the faculty and hence you will understand how to actually approach these type of questions. And once then your regular classes start, you are at par with somebody else at least, so that you're not lagging behind. So as usual, whether you're a fresher, first timer or writing CAT second time, but had not prepared so well last year, I would advise that start early as soon as possible. Thank you.